Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I am back with a Boxycharm premium unboxing. I'm only getting the premium box from now on. I've canceled, and I went through all my skincare stuff trying to organize it, and I'm like, oh my god, I have so much stuff. So I'm like, one of these days I'm gonna have to pull the plug on somebody. I mean, I already pulled the plug on the base box, so I guess I'm doing good, right? So today is, what's the date today? It's already November 11th. I cannot even believe that like Christmas is like almost just a month away. That's kind of scary. So anyhow, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you enjoy the video. If you do, if you get it, I'll give me a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help me to get my video into the algorithm. And maybe more people will see my videos. So let's see what's in the November Boxycharm Premium. I already cut the things beforehand, but I don't know what's with this new paper that they have, but I don't know what that's going to protect. So let's see, we have Boxycharm Invite Only. Boxy Beauty Bash. Shop our annual holiday blowout sale and score 80% off. New deals will drop all month long, but hurry, quantities are limited. I think that's going on right now if you are a member of Boxycharm. So they have stuff, you know, like you can buy for like a huge discount. First thing in the box, kind of squashed, is by Nudestix. I didn't know they did skincare. Let's see what they say about this. This is the Nudestix Lemonade Detox Glow Micro Peel. And this is, where are you? It is $34. It says that it is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil and dirt, pollution while visibly rejuvenating skin tone and texture. Powered by enzymatic peeling action of papain along with the renewal properties of apple and pomegranate extracts, the skin superhero also transforms with vitamin C and lemon peel oil to brighten your skin for a radiant, youthful glow. So 34 bucks. That almost paid for the box by itself. Next up, the Better Skin Company Bright Now. I have so many eye creams and stuff, you guys. This says it is the anti-puff with anti-dark circles, which I don't have either. And let's see what this is. This Rhodile? Who is this by? No, is it Riddle? No, that's not it. The Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now. Wake up with light dark circles and puffiness with the Eye Bright Serum. Wake up and fight it with this serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the disappearance of fine lines and wrinkles. $38. That's some expensive stuff. And this is a lot of eye serum, because usually, well, I guess I bought the eye serum from The Ordinary, and it's in a 1 ounce container, I think. So maybe for an eye serum, it's not that big of a bottle. And then this was my choice item, the Persona Identity 2 palettes. I already have the #1 palette, so I was excited to see that they were offering the #2. I see black eyeshadow. And I have a broken shade on our hands. Well, I wonder where that came from. That's what it looks like. It's got a few pops of color. Let's see how they look. I really like the first one that she put out. The quality was like really, really good. And I don't think this will be any different than her first one. Really nice quality. And she doesn't do like a bunch of releases. She only does a few here and there. And I like that they're not like, you know, she doesn't try to overpower people with product. And that's called the Identity 2 palette, and it is $42. Let's see. More of this paper. 3 more products here. We have Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss, $20. Fall in love with this long-wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E oil, and jojoba oil. This gloss isn't sticky and is the perfect go-to formula for a glossy finish. The formula is enriched with moisture-boosting protective ingredients to nourish and prepare your lips. $20. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's even got the rose petals in the bottle. I guess they take up quite a bit of the room. This lipstick is feeling dry now. So that's at a good time to moisturize them a little bit. So that is $20. Next item we have here is by a company called Riddle Original Roll-On. It's $50. It says made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. The original roll-on smells clean and subtle. This is oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on the original fragrance, it is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. And it is $50. Let's see what it smells like. It smells good. It smells like a scent like that I would like. I like those musky sandalwood, coffee, tobacco. I like those. Those are my kind of scents. It smells pretty good. So we'll see how it goes. And then the last item here is the Rhodile Blush Drops. Enhance the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. The concentrated drops provide a buildable, illuminating pop of color to the cheeks. $50. Who's paying $50 for these items? Boxycharm? I mean, there's no way. I've had another item by this company, but I don't see people talking about it or hyping it up or, you know. Looks like you will need the teeny tiniest amount possible because you can get pink really quick. We'll see if it has a dry down on it because I don't like walking around with sticky cheeks on my face. So that is the November Boxycharm Premium, and I thought it was an okay box. I mean, you know, it definitely has a value there. And even though I got another eye product, which I've told them, like, I only have 2 eyes. Like, I've gotten like 4 or 5 eye products just this year. And I'm like, can you like they need to have a better survey, I think, is the problem too. Because they, like this, it was saying about, like something about acne or clearing out pores and this and that, and that sounds like something that's for somebody younger, you know, like send me something that's for like anti-aging or something. Maybe it did say something about anti-aging, who knows, but I will use it. If I don't use it, I have a daughter, I have a daughter-in-law, I have a basket in my room. I'm gonna do a declutter pretty soon. I'm gonna go through my palettes and try to declutter some of them. The big word is try, because you guys know how much I love palettes. They're very hard to get rid of. That smells really good. That's still tacky. It hasn't dried yet, but it might dry. I can leave a little thing, a blurb, when I leave the price of the box here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this November unboxing. If you got a box, did you like it? Did you think it was worth it? Are we box twins? Let me know down in the comments. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back. And if everybody could please take a second and give me a thumbs up. It's free, helps me out, helps me to get into the algorithm. So I hope that you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.